In this PowrSuite review, I'm going to be showing you a suite of software tools that you're probably already paying monthly for. Now you can pay one time and have them forever. And make sure you stay to the end of this review, as I'm also going to show you all the different OTOs and upgrades and how you can get everything for a huge bundle discount. If you're new to my channel, my name is Mike Thomas. I'm a seven-figure affiliate marketer. I do these reviews every single day so that you can get the best deals on upcoming software and courses. If at any point during this review you want to check out PowrSuite, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out my YouTube channel and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. Last thing before we jump in here, I just want to show you my bonus page. I've got a ton of extra bonuses for you that you're going to be getting if you purchase this through my link. All these bonuses will be waiting for you right inside of JVZoo after you purchase through my link. Okay, let's take a look at the sales page here together. It says the last business builder you'll ever need. Start your online business in 2022 using an all-in-one platform and never need to buy anything again. Our suite of tools easily replaces Photoshop, ClickFunnels, Canva, Adobe Illustrator, and coupon tools with no monthly cost. So essentially, they host everything for you. You don't need a website. They've got everything all done for you. If you are paying monthly for any of these, then this could be something that could be good for your business. This one right here is $20, $21 a month, $21, $297 a month, $97 a month, $13 a month. Normally these would be $449 a month, and you can get access to this for under $40 with the commercial license included as well. Step one, you can go and you can pick a template, customize, and use and profit in however you are doing your business. And of course, everyone's business is going to be different with this, but these are quality tools put out by Neil Napier and his team. These guys put out quality software. They've got great support. This isn't some push button piece of crap. This is something that's actually going to be useful for a lot of you. Even if just only a couple of these tools will be useful for your business, it might be worth it to consider picking this up here. Now, there's a couple of options here. There's the personal and the commercial. The commercial is just a little bit more. Most people end up getting the commercial, and you get a bunch of bonuses here as well with this. What I'm going to do is play you a quick video explaining this a little bit more. Then I'll be back to show you the backend area and the OTOs and the special bundle discount.
Hey there, this is Neil Napier and I would like to introduce you to PowrSuite. PowrSuite is a powerhouse collection of 9 high-quality tools to help you build your online business, and with the included commercial license, you can sell business creation services at any price you want. In this demo, I will show you what you can do with each of the 9 tools to grow your online business. We will start with the first place your clients will visit, your website. We have 4 highly focused apps to help you create specific types of pages that have proven time and again to drive profits right into your checking accounts. These are all chock full of templates to get you up and earning today. Create clear, high converting opt-in and offer pages to land clients quickly. You can generate some excitement for clients with our scratch off page tool. Reveal a special discount or deal to increase revenue. And once you have closed that sale, you can send them to collect their bonuses on a high quality page from our done for you bonus page tool. And if none of those page crafting tools fit your design needs, our simple page builder can be used for any other type of page your profit site may need. Of course, no business would be able to sell anything without traffic. So we have included tools that will drive traffic to your business and to your offers. We know that social media drives traffic like nothing else. So we have given you all the templates you could need for Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, the top 3 social sites for getting targeted traffic organically. You can create impressive covers, posts, and of course, stories. Everyone loves stories. And it is clear that stories are simply dominating on social media right now. And now you too can dominate. Video of all sorts continues to grow and bring in big profits online. YouTube viewers are getting more and more picky about what to watch next. Studies show that YouTube viewers are significantly more likely to click on your video if you have a great thumbnail, and that great thumbnail will increase both watch time and traffic for you. Great thumbnails get attention and send more profitable traffic straight to you. So we have included a great thumbnail tool for you as well. You're welcome. With these powerful tools, it will be very simple for you to stop the scroll and keep the attention on your business. Speaking of your business, at some point as you grow, you are going to want to try out some paid traffic. We have just the tool for you. Our professionally designed ad templates found in the Done For You Simple Ads tool will make your offers and products stand out to your target audience. There is one final tool to round out PowrSuite. If you need to create a logo for your company or a client, you can do that easily with our Done For You logo tool. Every tool includes plenty of templates to create professional, creative, targeted content every time. Do you see all the profitable possibilities that we have baked into PowrSuite for you? This will be the last marketing tool you will ever need. You can use it to grow your business and then sell marketing services to your clients. Every tool will not only add to your bottom line, but it will also help you multiply your profits every single week. If you tried to put together this tool set on your own, you'd be paying hundreds of dollars each month, but you can get all the power of PowrSuite for a low one-time introductory price during this launch. I'll see you on the inside.
So this is the backend area that you're going to have access to once you purchase, and there are upgrades. So the upgrades here says make your income potential unlimited with PowrSuite Unlimited. So this is going to give you unlimited use on all the different tools, unlimited use on the future tools with this, upgraded Ads Pro Edition, unlimited access to their link tracking app, additional training courses, all included with this unlimited upgrade here. It looks like this one is either going to be a $97 yearly price, or you can pay $197 one time and have access to everything and forever for not have to pay again. Next one here is an agency package on this. So you can get this one. It looks like it's $37 for the agency toolkit. You have a Done For You business website, everything you need to start providing services using the software. The next one is an autoresponder. So a lot of people want to have an autoresponder for their business. I mean, it's something that I personally pay monthly for. If you're someone that doesn't want to do that, you can go ahead and get this one here. And it is a quarterly one for this one, $49 per quarter, it looks like. So you can get access to this one right now. Next one is you can do webinars with their webinar software. And this one is $67 one time. And if you want to get everything, if you're looking at this and you're going, I want to get all these different things, I don't want to pay separately. I know I want them all, but I want to get a discounted price. You can get in on a bundle deal here. You're going to be able to get everything, the front end offer. You get the unlimited, you get the agency suite, Nail VO, Meet VO, everything for a one-time price of $197. You normally would pay $397 if you went through the entire funnel. With this, you pay $197 one time. I'll have a link to both the front end offer that I showed you before, where you go through the sales funnel, and I'll have a link to the bundle in the description on YouTube and on my bonus page if you're visiting here as well. So all these different OTOs, of course, are optional. Pick and choose the ones that you want and forget the ones that you don't. So what do I like about PowrSuite and what don't I like about it? If I just say something that I don't like about it, some of these tools might not be useful for your business, and that's okay, actually. But just know that the fact that some of these tools you might be using, some of them you might be looking at this going, well, I don't even need a photo editor, or I don't need to have any, like one of these specific tools here. So if that's you, don't worry about it. You can use the other ones. What do I like about this? It's got a bunch of tools in it. If one of these tools saves you a monthly fee, then it could be worth it for you. If that's you and you see the value in this, then definitely check this out. Thank you so much for checking out my review today. If you want to take a look at PowrSuite, just go ahead and click that link below. Also, please like this video. It really helps out with my YouTube channel, and I appreciate it. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and bell notification. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in my next review video. Thanks.